Hi, I'm Amy Blackstone. I teach at Country High School, Continuation High School in Vacaville. I am part of the PASC 1 Administrative Credential Program for the 2012 school year. And I decided to get into administration and ed leadership because I'm really passionate about the students who the community has kind of discarded and said can't learn and aren't important anymore, and my school is their second, third, maybe fourth chance. And I want to be involved in programs like that. I decided to get into this particular program, having to travel all the way from Vacaville, because I liked the balance this program had between theory and practical application, and I've learned so much. Before this program, I was a little nervous about walking in and stepping into the chair of a principal, and now I'm totally ready.